I'm Daniel, and I'm the CEO of Quaker Cole. Today I'll be presenting you my design plans for a new product, the Pepsi. My team and I spent a lot of time experimenting with different pop can designs, and we discovered that the design that would require the least amount of material to make, meaning it takes up the least amount of surface area, was a sphere. It took up a total of 242 centimeters squared, but we found lots of ergonomical issues with it. Firstly, it would roll around when you place it on a table, and even if we flattened the bottom, it would still be vulnerable to be rolled around. So, also, the sphere can design is also very inconvenient to hold and just doesn't feel nice. So we moved on to our next possible design, which was the cube. The cube, we thought, was very efficient for packaging, as the packaging would be in rectangular prisms and the cube would perfectly fit into there. But we soon realized that it took up an insane amount of surface area for just the set volume it was holding. To put this into perspective, the sphere took up 242 centimeters squared, but the cube took up a surface area of 300 centimeter cubed, which is around 60 centimeters cubed more. The cube was very stable when it's placed down and will not roll around, but it's also not that comfortable to hold. We also discovered that the cube had very weak edges, like the edges are very weak points, which is very vulnerable to be like punctured and broken. So that idea is also out. We soon went to the next design, which was the cylinder. Now the cylinder combined all the great benefits of the cube, which was efficient packaging, and the cylinder, which was efficient use of surface area, and it kind of just stayed balanced in the middle. The cylinder took up a total surface area of 277 centimeters squared, which is kind of in the middle of the surface area taken up by the cube and the surface area taken up by the sphere. In addition, the cylinder model, the cylinder wouldn't roll around. It's very convenient to drink out of, and it's also very easy to hold. I made a design right now showing you the exact dimensions. As you can see, for optimal surface area, I had to make the diameter equal to the height, which is just the case for this. The diameter in this case is 7.68 centimeters, and the height is also 7.68 centimeters, resulting in around 355 milliliters of volume, or centimeters cubed. This is the net that I designed, which was relatively simple, but it did take a lot of time because the circles were very hard to draw for me. Yeah, that's basically it. Now, a question that I thought in my head was, with the surface area so optimal, would it still fit in cup holders and stuff? But after some research, I discovered that it still perfectly holds in cup holders. Standardized cup holders have a diameter of 8 centimeters, and the diameter of this is already 7.68 centimeters, meaning it'll perfectly fit finely. Also, because cup holders hold cans that are circular, that have a circular base, the cube and the pyramid, the square pyramid, would all be out because they wouldn't be able to fit in cup holders, which is a key aspect of the designs.